All right, facility managers. Let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention. User satisfaction in maintenance systems. If you've ever rolled out a new CMMS and watched the excitement fade as staff struggle, you know how quickly a system can go from hero to headache. But here's the thing. When users are happy, everything changes. Adoption goes up, errors go down, and your whole operation runs smoother. So what actually drives user satisfaction in systems like MicroMain CMMS? Let's break it down. First up, system design and features. If your system feels like a maze, folks are going to avoid it. But with an intuitive interface, think logical menus, visual cues, and customizable dashboards, people jump in confidently. And it's not just about looks. Comprehensive features matter. Automated scheduling, inventory management, real-time monitoring, and predictive maintenance all transform data into insights you can actually use. When a system performs reliably, high uptime, fast speeds, robust backups, users trust it. That trust means fewer interruptions and better results. Now think about your techs in the field. Mobile access is a game changer. If they can update records, check schedules, or report issues in real time, you get faster response times and better communication across the board. Plus, customization is huge. Configurable dashboards, personalized alerts, and custom reports let every user tailor the system to their workflow. When people can make a tool their own, they actually want to use it. But even the best system can flop without quality implementation. Solid training programs, interactive modules, live demos, and clear support materials help everyone get up to speed. Responsive support teams are essential too. When issues pop up, quick resolutions build trust and keep things moving. And don't forget about data migration. Seamless transitions mean you keep your maintenance history intact without missing a beat. Transparency is another big factor. Regular updates about new features or changes keep everyone in the loop, reduce uncertainty, and invite valuable feedback. Speaking of feedback, building in surveys and focus groups after launch helps you spot what's working and what could be better. So, what's the payoff for getting user satisfaction right? Higher adoption rates, for starters. The more your team uses the system, the better your data and the fewer surprises you'll face. You'll see improved data accuracy, which makes planning, budgeting, and compliance way easier. Productivity gets a boost too. When your techs spend less time fighting the system, they spend more time actually fixing things. Better schedule compliance means assets last longer and regulatory headaches shrink. And with proactive alerts and smooth workflows, you keep disruptions to a minimum, keeping your business and your customers happy. Systems like MicroMain CMMS are leveraging smart tech, machine learning, IoT, predictive analytics to take all this to the next level. And with strong reviews and a flexible demo model, it's clear why satisfaction is high. So, if you want a maintenance system that actually works for your team, keep user satisfaction at the core. It's not just a checkbox, it's the secret to a facility that runs like clockwork. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.